All right, this is the feedback loop application. It's got 3 blanks where you can write any items. I might be working with a patient that's reporting feeling depressed and having problems sleeping, maybe using alcohol. And the circles on the right are populated by the items in the blanks, as is the list below. And you or the patient can go through the list and indicate how you view one item affecting the other. You might think it's making it worse or making it better or not having any effect. And these relationships are then represented in the graph. Red dashed arrows when one thing is making the other worse. Green solid arrow when one is making the other better. And no connection when there is no perceived effect of one on the other. And as with the other apps, you can right-click on the image and save it for your records or to send to the patient. This graph doesn't make much sense. I've just selected items randomly, but I'll make a few videos showing some examples of how this can be used during assessment or psychoeducation or explaining a treatment.